where we once stood. The echoes know what silence could. Your laugh still haunts the trees and air, but I turn round and you're not there. I lost myself in what we made, a tangled dream that couldn't stay. I still replay your final breath, the night you left, the words unsaid. Take me back to that night again, before the end, before the when, before the lies, before the fall, when I still had you, when I had it all. Oh, I would give the world to bend the time, the stars, the way we went. If I could only see you then, I'd never lose you in the end. Your name's still carved into my skin, a ghost beneath this quiet grin. I walk through days I can't recall. Since you left, I don't feel at all. Take me back to that night again, before goodbye, before pretend, before the cracks began to show, before we broke what used to grow. Oh, I would trade this hollow piece for just one night, one memory. If I could only change the end, I'd never let you slip again. No light, no flame, no one to blame, just two lost hearts that couldn't stay. Take me back to that night again, when you were more than just a friend, when your eyes said you'd never leave, and I still dare to believe. If time could bend, if stars could mend, if fate would give me one more chance, I'd find you on that night again and hold you till the very end.
You don't see the light till the sky turns gray. You don't miss her smile till it fades away. You don't know you're lost till the map is gone. You don't feel alone till the nights get long. You don't hear the quiet till the echoes speak. You don't crave the warmth till your bones feel weak. You don't taste the tears till they reach your tongue. You don't know it's love till the love is done. 'Cause you only feel her hand when it slips from yours, only miss her voice when it's not there anymore. Chase a name when it won't be called, only want it back when you've lost it all. And you only see the truth when the lie feels wrong, only write the song when the music's gone. You thought she'd stay, but you took too long. Now you're learning how to breathe when she's gone. You don't count the stars till the sky is bare. You don't feel the loss till she's not out there. You don't mend your heart till it's torn apart. You don't make a change till it breaks your heart. 'Cause you only only feel her hand when it slips from yours. Only miss her voice when it's not there anymore. Only chase her name when it won't be called. Only want it back when you've lost it all. When you've lost it all. And you only see the truth when the life feels wrong. Only write the song when the music's gone. When the music's gone. You thought she'd stay but she took too long. Now you're learning how to breathe, but you took too long. Now you're learning how to breathe when she's gone. Now you're learning how to breathe when she's gone.
All I had was you, and now I'm standing here with nothing. You were all I knew, but now your name feels cold and distant. I gave you pieces of a heart that never learned to break, but now I hold the shattered parts, and all I do is ache. 'Cause all I had was you, and losing you, I lost me too. I searched the sky for signs of truth, but all that's left is rain. And I don't know how to start again, or write a song without your name. All I had was you, and I still feel the same. All the plans we made lie in silence on the floor now. Every smile we faked feels more honest than this goodbye somehow. I whispered dreams into the dark. You used to light them bright, but now I'm walking through this storm with no one by my side. 'Cause all I had was you, and losing you, I lost me too. I searched the sky for signs of truth, but all that's left is rain. And I don't know how to start again, or write a song without your name. All I had was you, and I still feel the same. Maybe time will dim the sound of your laughter in the room, but for now your ghost is louder than anything I do. 'Cause all I had was you, and no one else can fill that truth. I trade the world to just undo the moment we let go. And even if the hurt will fade, I'll carry you through every day. All I had was you, and maybe that's okay. All I had was you.
I still recall that broken sky, where you left no reasons why. Leaves were falling like our pride. You turned and didn't say goodbye. I wore the silence like a coat, hid every word I never wrote. If I could turn the clocks around, you'd never see me let you down. So here I am back to September, wishing I could make you remember all the nights I looked away when I should have begged you to stay. If I had one last letter to send you, I'd fold it in the wind of September and pray it finds your heart somehow, though I know it's too late now. I thought that time would make things right, but seasons pass and steal the light. I see your shadow in hear your laughter in the train. You deserved a softer hand, not someone who didn't understand. I was cold when you were warm, a summer heart that met a storm. So here I am back to September, tracing every word I remember. You gave love without a pause, and I gave silence without a cause. If I had just one chance to tell you that I miss your voice in the shelter, and pray it finds your heart somehow, though I know it's too late now. Found someone who stays, someone who listens when you break. But if you think of me somehow, just know I'd change it all right now. So here I am back to September, trying not to cry, just remember you were kind and I was scared, but I did love you, I swear. If there's a page you haven't torn, I'd rewrite every line I wore. But the leaves are gone from that old town, and I know it's too late now.
I woke up to the sound of silence, no echo of your laugh in the sheets. The coffee's cold, untouched again like me. It's been weeks. They say time will mend the ache, but time just makes it deeper. Your ghost is in every corner, and I still wait for a text I won't get either. I still sit on my side of the bed, still fold your pillow like you're not really gone. And I talk to the air like you're here, but it's just me and a half-played song. Do you ever miss me, even a little? Do you feel this emptiness too? Or have you filled the silence with someone new? The mirror's fogged, but I see it clear. You're not walking back through that door. I wore the shirt you loved last year, still smells like you, but not anymore. Your voice used to be my morning, now it's just static in my mind. They say it gets easier with distance, but it feels worse every time. I still sit on my side of the bed, still set the table like you'll show up tonight. And I laugh at nothing, then cry instead, pretending I'm fine out of spite. Do you lie awake and feel the same, or has the past become untrue? Are you sleeping peaceful with someone new? Didn't click, but my heart knew. Even if you're gone completely, there's a part I won't undo. I still sit on my side of the bed, still whisper your name to the dark, still hold on to something you left like a faded mark. And I know you've moved on like the wind, but I'm still stuck in this view, where I eat on my own side of the table and pretend it was always for two.
I gave you all the light I had inside. in myself just so you'd shine. You took the best of me in stride, left my heart in pieces undefined. I waited, I faded while you grew. In your shadow, I lost my truth. I had to break to finally breathe. Had to drown to rise from underneath. You tore me down so carelessly, but I found strength in what was left of me. I had to lose us to see me, had to fall to feel I'm free. I had to break to find me breathe. You said love but meant control, played your part but stole my soul. I stayed silent, soft and small, thinking that was love but it's not at all. You moved on like it meant nothing. I was fire, you were running. I had to break to finally breathe. Had to lose your voice to hear me speak. You took your lead so easily, but I rose up from what you couldn't see. I had to lose us to save me, had to crash to feel I'm free. I had to break to finally breathe. Now I don't blame you anymore. You were the storm, I found the shore. All your silence, all your pride built the path for us to survive. I had to break to finally breathe. Had to bleed to learn to heal. You were never meant to stay, but losing you showed me the way. I had to lose us to love me, had to burn to feel I'm free. I had to break to finally be me. You said love, but meant beneath.
I heard your name today, it shook me still. A whisper in the crowd, it always will. They say you're doing fine and I just smile, but I can't help the ache that stays a while. I said goodbye, but not inside. Still trace your laugh when I close my eyes. I'm not jealous of the ones you love, or how you found someone to think of. I'm not bitter that you moved ahead. I'm just mourning what we had instead. I still miss us, the late night calls, the way you knew me through it all. I'm not jealous, I'm just broken that you're gone. You always said I'd find my peace, but every smile feels counterfeit to me. You hold another hand and I stay still, pretending this is not the way I feel. I fake the calm, I play the part, but every word still stings the heart. I'm not jealous of the life you live, or how you learned again to give. I'm not angry that the world moves on, but I still ache when dusk is gone. I still miss us, the songs we knew, the way I used to dance with you. I'm not jealous, I just wish I mattered too. And maybe someday I'll forget, or write a song with no regret. But not tonight, not in this rain, where every drop still speaks your name. I'm not jealous of your perfect peace, I just miss who I used to be. when loving you was all I knew, and losing you had not come true. I still miss us in every way, but I smile when they ask if I'm okay. I'm not jealous, just still in love anyway. If I could hold one more breath of you, I'd save it like a song I never knew. But life has led us down a different way, and love, I guess, just couldn't stay. You gave me more than words could say, a light that never fades away. Though time has drawn a line between what we were and what might have been, but I'll still carry you through the quiet and the blue. Though we're walking separate skies, you still echo in my nights. I don't need forever to say I'll still carry you. You smiled through all my hardest days. You stayed when I had lost my way. But sometimes love means letting go of hands we wish we'd never known. So take your dreams and go be free. Don't look behind, don't wait for me. There's nothing left we have to prove, but I'll always keep your truth. And I'll still carry you like the sun holds morning dew, like the silence holds a prayer, like the wind still holds your hair. Even if we're not us two, I swear I'll still carry you. No regrets, no blame to find, just the gift you left behind. And if love was meant to fly, then I'll wave as you pass by. Oh, I'll still carry you like the stars that pierce the blue, like a song that won't forget, like the rain that's never left. It doesn't fade just 'cause we're through. No, I'll still carry you. We lit a fire we couldn't tame, played a game with no real name. You said forever with a crooked grin. I believed you, foolish thing. Now I'm walking past our old cafe where we laughed the nights away. But the chair across from mine is cold, like the truth I never got told. I won't beg for what is broken. No more calls with words unspoken. You had your chance, now I have mine, to rewrite love without your lines. Fade like smoke after the show, and baby, smiles fade on their own. Your echo's not as loud today. The hurt has learned to walk away. I dress in colors you never liked, dance with strangers through the night. Now I won't pretend I don't still feel, but at least now I know what's real. You were a lesson, not my end, and I don't need you to mend. I won't beg for what is broken. No more dreams that leave me open. inside that hurt the most. Now I sleep alone in peace. No more wars, no need for peace. I won't beg for what is broken. No more hearts with words unspoken. The worst storm I had to ride, but now I'm standing as open wide. You fade like light when night is grown, and baby, smiles fade on their own. I heard you found your peace somehow. A quiet house, a life without the sound of us. And I won't lie, it cut me deep to know you smile where I can't be. We said we'd never fade away, but promises get lost in all the games we played. And I was brave, but not enough to hold your love or fight that tough. Sometimes I dream you're calling me, but it's just echoes in the dark. I wish you'd turn and look for me, but I know you've gone too far. Now you're just a song that plays inside my silence. You're just a name that I still write in tears. You are the one, but timing wasn't kindness. Now I just hope you're happier through the years. I tried to hate you, couldn't stay. Still trace your shadow every single place. And I pretend I'm doing fine, but the truth still shakes me every time. Sometimes I smile for what we had and all the moments we let slip, but then I fall back through the cracks of everything we missed. Now you're just a song that plays inside my silence. You're just a name that I still write in tears. You are the one, but timing wasn't kindness. Now I just hope you're happier through the years. I tried to hate you, couldn't stay. Still trace your shadow every single place. And I pretend I'm doing fine, but the truth still shakes me every time. Now I just hope you're what we had and all the moments we let slip, but then I'll fall back through the cracks of everything we missed. Now you're just a song that time will slowly soften. And though you're gone, you'll always live in tune. You are the one, I never stop believing, even if love had other plans than you. Oh, no, you're just a song, but I still sing for you. I write your name in faded ink on paper hearts I let just sink. 1,000 words I'll never speak are folded up in lines too weak. I keep them hidden in a drawer, right where your sweater used to warm. The past still whispers now and then, in love letters I'll never send. These words were meant for you to read, to know you were my every need. But I stayed silent, played pretend, while breaking in ways I couldn't mend. So I write, erase, and write again, love letters I'll never send. There's one about the way you smile, another how we danced a while. One ends with please just come back. The ink still smears from where I cracked. I sign them all with yours always, then hide them deep inside my days. They sit in silence just like then. These love letters I'll never send. These ones were meant to cross the sea, from all the versions left of me. But pages age like broken skin, and hearts stay locked there, kept within. So I write, erase, and write again, love letters I'll never send. Maybe in another life you find these lines and read them right, but in this one you're just a name that brings me peace and quiet pain. These ones were always just for you, the truest things I ever knew. I keep them safe in quiet hands, like prayers the sky won't understand. So I write, erase, and write again, love letters I'll never send.
Watch you leave with tearless eyes. You didn't flinch, you didn't cry. I stood there silent at the gate, with all the words I meant too late. You waited long, you begged, you stayed, but I kept love a breath away. Now I'm alone and you've moved on, and I just play our ghosted song. I'm one day too late to love you, or one call too short to say the truth. You needed me when I was blind, now you're a memory I can't find. I reached for you when you let go, too slow to feel, too late to show. I'm one day too late to love you, and I'll never know what we could have grown. I rehearsed lines I never spoke, they choke me now like heavy smoke. Your name still lingers on my tongue, but it means nothing where you've gone. You gave your all, I gave delay. You begged for love, I walked away. Now I'm writing songs I'll never sing, about a heart I failed to bring. I'm one day too late to love you, one chance behind one truth untrue. You needed warmth, I offer cold. No, it's just silence that I hold. I scream your name inside my chest, but echoes never grant requests. I'm one day too late to love you, and you deserve so much the best. Maybe you're laughing in someone's life, while I stayed trapped in our last night. I thought love awaits, but it moved fast, and I just chased what couldn't last. I'm one day too late to love you, one heartbeat shy of holding you. If I could rewind, I'd never stall, but time won't answer when I call. You're gone where I can't follow through, and I'm still here, still missing you. I'm one day too late to love you, and forever's what I'll lose. Maybe you're laughing in someone's light, while I stay trapped in our last night. I thought love awaits, but it moves fast, and I just chased what could last. Oh. I walked past the cafe where we used to meet. It changed the lights, but not the beat. It played a tune I froze mid-step. It was our song and I wept. It's been months since you've been gone, but my heart still hums along to every line we used to sing. Now it just means everything. Our song still plays in my head, every chorus, every word you said. It loops inside like we're not through, like time forgot to move from you. I try to mute, but it won't end. Our song still plays in my head. I changed my playlist, burned old notes, tried to forget the lines you wrote. But in the quiet late at night, it starts to play, and it feels right. I tell myself to let it fade, but some ghosts choose to stay. And melodies don't ask permission, they come back like superstition. Our song still plays in my head, like vinyl spinning love and dread. It skips the part where you walked out, and only plays the parts I doubt. I press rewind, relive again. Our song still plays in my head. Maybe someday it will stop, when the memory finally drops. But till then I'll sing along to a half-remembered song. Our song still plays in my head, like a story that I never read. You found silence, I found sound, and I still hear you all around. I miss the notes we never said. Our song still plays in my head. She walks by like I'm just air. Eyes ahead like I was never there. But once upon a time her world was mine. Now she smiles like we never tried. Maybe I faded like an old song, played too much then gone too long. But some things never leave the past. She forgot my name. I remember her laugh like morning sun through window glass. The way it danced, the way it healed, the way it made the silence feel. She moved on fast like we were mad, but I still count her every laugh. She forgot my name, but I remember her laugh. I hear her voice in crowded rooms. It hits like ghosts or distant tunes. She doesn't flinch when I say hi, but I still dream of her at night. I guess I'm just a page she tore, while I still guard an open door. And all that's left I can't get back. She forgot my name, but I remember her laugh. It echoed through a photograph. I play it back like old cassettes, a song she sang I can't forget. She made the darkest moments pass. Now I just chase what did last. She forgot my name, but I remember her laugh. Names can fade, hearts can lie, but laughter lives where memories hide. I lost her voice, I lost her touch, but her laugh still hurts too much. She forgot my name, but I remember her laugh. The way she'd breathe between each gasp, like running barefoot in the rain, then turning pain to something sane. She's somewhere new, she's not looking back, but I still live in what we had. She forgot my name, but I remember her laugh. Oh, but I remember her laugh. It wasn't long, just a line or two. Are you okay? I sent it just for you. I watched the screen, I held my breath, but all I got was quiet and regret. Three dots appeared and disappeared, like maybe you had second fears. And just like that, the silence grew. Once I thought I mattered too. I'm stuck on the last text you never replied to, left on red like I never meant much to you. It wasn't goodbye, it wasn't a fight, just vanished in the middle of night. My heart's still waiting like fools do, for the last text you never replied to. I scroll up just to feel it again. Our laughs, our plans, the way we pretend. A love like ours could never fade, but you went ghost without a trace. And maybe silence says it all, but it still hurts you let me fall. Without a word, without a why, just a scream that never lies. I'm stuck on the last text you never replied to, like closure, something I don't get to do. It wasn't a break, it wasn't the end, just space that swallowed where we'd been. Now every ping feels so untrue.
Still stuck on the last text you never replied to. I reread it like somehow it'll guide you back to the me you used to know. But you've let go without letting me go, and I'm haunted, yeah, it's true, by the last text you never replied to. Maybe no reply was your reply.
The coffee's cold, your cup's still on the table. Your shadow lingers like it's still unstable. The door still creaks the way it did that night, when silence fell and you walked out of sight. I've cleaned the floors, I've changed the sheets, but your goodbye still stains these streets. No matter what I try to clear, the way you left still echoes here, like footsteps fading crystal clear. Your words still flow through every wall. I hear your voice, then nothing at all. You're gone, but somehow still so near. The way you left still echoes here. The window's cracked, the air feels just like fall. It's strange how emptiness can say it all. I play our song but skip the end, 'cause I can't relive the way we bend. I smile with strangers, fake the light, but lose the fight alone at night. Your absence whispers in my ear. The way you left still echoes here, like thunder after skies go clear. I talk to ghosts that wear your face, still search for you in empty space. You're gone, but pain still volunteers. The way you left still echoes here. Maybe time will fade your name, maybe peace will dull the blame. But even if the wounds all heal, the echo stays, it's far too real. The way you left still echoes here, like promises we made last year. And even if I leave this place, I'll carry walls that hold your trace. No closure found, just endless fear. The way you left still echoes here.
You packed your bags like it was planned, left your keys and never held my hand. No long goodbyes, no final fight, just silence walking out of sight. I still make coffee for us two, out of habit, not for you. This place still smells like your cologne. You moved on like I was never home, like all our nights were built on stone. You kissed me once, then disappeared, left all your echoes trapped in here. I still wait by the window alone. You moved on like I was never home.
photos off the wall so clean, like I was just a passing scene. You changed your hair, you changed your face, but I still live in our old place. I hear you laugh on someone's feet, while I'm still stuck in memories. I'll give your heart unloved so soon. You moved on like I was never home, like all my love was overgrown, like I was just a stop you passed, while I mistook it all for last. You smiled like it was yours to own. You moved on like I was never home. Maybe I was just a bed. You laid your fears and tears instead. But I called you safe, I called you mine. You just called it borrowed time. You moved on like I was never home, like all my love was overgrown, like I was just a stop you passed, while I mistook it all for last. You smiled like it was yours to own. You moved on like I was never home. The clock was slow, the world was still. You touched my face like time could heal. You whispered dreams into my chest and said I was your only rest. The moon was hanging like a vow. You swore we'd make it here and now. I drank your words like sacred wine, believed forever could be mine. You promised me forever at 2 a.m. when all the world was sleeping, just us then. You held me like we had no end in sight, but forever faded with the light. I gave you all I had to spend on a promise made at 2 a.m. You said you'd stay through every storm, through colder nights, through love gone worn. But dawn arrived and so did change. Now forever feels so out of range. I still replay that fragile scene, the way your voice felt like a dream. But dreams dissolve when mornings break, and some forevers were always fake. You promised me forever at 2 a.m. when silence made us feel alive again. You kissed my fear and made it hush, but now your love is just a rush. You said you'd never let it end, but promises break. It's 2 a.m. What is it about the quiet night that makes the heart believe a lie? What is it about your midnight tone that made me feel I wasn't alone? You promised me forever at 2 a.m. but morning came and you were someone else then. Oh, the truth arrived with sun and doubt, and all your whispers faded out. I should have known it all depends on fragile words felt real when you said it, but maybe we only meant it in the dark.